Hi, I'm Anthony with HRCT, your leading MSP in Hampton Roads. Do you have specific web apps, programs, and files that open in a specific browser? Maybe it opens in Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge when you want it to open in Chrome or Firefox? Don't worry. Today, we're going to go through how to change your default browser for any computer you use. Let's get started.
By default, Windows sets your default browser to open Microsoft Edge. To change that, we're going to click on the Start menu button. Then this little gear for settings. When the settings page comes up, you'll select default apps on the left-hand side. Alternatively, you can just start typing default apps and then click on default apps on the menu, and it should bring up the settings screen for your default apps. Scroll down to the web browser, and if it doesn't already say Chrome, click on whatever is there. Select Chrome or whatever your favorite browser is.
Now that you know how to do this, go ahead, give it a try. HRCT, keeping you connected.